Hello everybody and good morning. We're on our way to Rawlins today to do some errands. Got to pick up a few things and meet with one of our buddies up there. It's cold. What is it? 28 degrees. Hey, check it out. It's a Model 3. Looks like a 2021. Yeah, just passing truck carrying a couple Rivian pickups. Slow down a little more. This is the R1T. It is here on this truck. This truck's headed westbound here on Interstate 80. And we were just going by it actually, and he's on the way someplace. May have delivered a couple of them and don't know. Anyway, they look pretty good in person. I've only seen them on pictures. And what faked me out was the red lights that look like exhaust. We can pass them if you want. Go slow though. Anyway, there's a couple of them. There's a white one and a blue one. There don't appear to be any tags at all on them. They're both equipped the same. The back one's got yellow brake calipers. The front one apparently does not. They look pretty good. No, the front one does have yellow brake calipers. And they look new, just road dirty. Guy's bringing his bike, it's kind of cool. Anyway, good man, waved at us. Rivian, Interstate 80, westbound. Wow, check that out. 2 EVs, actually 3 EVs on the way here in Wyoming. You just never can tell. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos and take care.